Hello there. In this video I want to show how we can add two fractions. The first case is that we have got two fractions with the same denominator. In here both have got the denominator 7. Then we simply just add two numerators together, 3 plus 6, and then we get 9 over 7. And then if needed be, this is improper fraction, we can convert it into a mixed number, 2 over 7. The other case is that when we have got different denominators, then we got to convert each factor with to common denominator. So we get the first fraction and multiply by the second denominator. In here 3 times 5 would be 15, 7 times 5 would be 35, and then we convert the second fraction 2 over 5 by multiplying by the denominator of the first fraction 7. 2 times 7 would be 14, 5 times 7 would be 35, and then we replace these two fractions. We get 15 over 35 plus 14 over 35. Now the denominators match. We can simply add two numerators and we get the final answer, which is 29 over 35. I hope it helps.